The RITPAC 3 requires two AA batteries in the external pressure gauge console for operation of the cylinder pressure indicator lights. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove both battery caps. Clean the inside edge of each battery compartment and seal around the outside of the cover by wiping with a clean, damp cloth to remove any dirt or foreign matter which might prevent a proper seal. Check cover gaskets for tears or cuts. If damage is found, remove the equipment from service and tag for repair by authorized personnel. Be sure the batteries are properly oriented in the battery compartments with the positive and negative ends aligned correctly. The battery covers must be installed so that they are watertight after replacement. Thread the battery cover screws in until each edge of the battery cover is touching the face of the battery compartment. Tighten the screw hand tight only. Do not over-tighten. Perform the regular operational inspection to verify proper operation of the LED display. When the cover is placed in position and the batteries are properly installed, all lights in the LED display will light for approximately 20 seconds to verify operation.